The side handle gives you additional leverage to control your tool. Side handles are typically used on sanders, grinders, or drills. On a grinder, it provides a second grip, so the grinder is easier to control and less likely to kick back at you. Replacing the side handle is simple to do, and I'll show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Replacing the side handle is a very simple repair. It just threads onto the gearbox. So to remove it, I'll unthread it, and then I can thread the new side handle in place. You'll notice there's a hole on either side of the housing, so you can mount the side handle on whichever side you prefer. And that's how simple it is to install a new side handle on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.